one instruction क्या थी? The number one instruction was to length should be in millimeter. Number two, decimal places, like if you cannot write 4, just write 4.0 if it's given in the question. We'll further discuss whether it's given in the question or not, but if the like this, if the unit is given is like 4.0, so in answers you have to write 4.0. You cannot write 4, you cannot write 3, just follow their whatever they have given. Okay. Third thing, while making graph, the line should be single. Single mean it should be like made once. You cannot double it. Do not double it. Okay? In a graph, do not double the line. Make it single. Whether it's very thin, it's really okay to make a thin line. Use the correct pencil so that your line is quite visible, but make it once. Don't go two and fourth. Just make a single line. Okay? No doubling in graph. Then let's talk about the diagram making. In diagram, well, you make a diagram. For example, if this is a diagram, just first of all, you need to divide it into four parts. Okay, like one part, just choose the correct proportion. Okay, and draw properly. Yes, you have to. You have to. Like you have to choose the correct proportion. The thing is, you need to. Okay. Yes, you have to make bigger than this. Okay. What I mean by proportion is like just see 1 2 3 over here and 1 2 over here. Okay, then in this angle there are 1 2 3 and in this angle 1 2. So your diagram should be very very clear. Okay, then there are seeds or whatever, if it's xylem or phloem, you have to calculate it. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So make it like that. Make the correct corners, correct whatever. If seeds are given, xylem phloem is given, just calculate the correct number and make the same number. Again here, no shading, no doubling of line unless required. Go in a single go. Like if you are making diagram, make a single line like this. Okay, or this. Do not do doubles. Try not to cut it as well. So you have to make it with pencil, graph and diagram. Okay. uh, if you want to be like very specific about it, use a scale to calculate the length, that it should be bigger than this length. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the practical one. Let me give you instructions. Whenever you write a practical, number one thing that you need to write is what are you investigating and for what purpose. Okay, so we call it the dependent variable, and we do not write these terms, but we have to tell what we are doing. How? Yes, 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 yes. We need to tell how it's going to affect it. Okay. And for this purpose, wait. Now, the independent variable is a different light intensities. You have to tell that you will take about 3 to 5 different light intensities. This is how you write it. That is investigated. Yes, 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 yes. And independent is the one which you are investigating. Like here, you are investigating the effect of light intensity. So that is your independent variable. Don't give them the word dependent or independent. Just write the detail of like what are you investigating and for what purpose. So you are investigating basically, and please write this in a passive form. The very very important thing. Write it in a passive form. We have yes, yes. Okay, wait. What is the independent variable in this experiment? The light intensity, right? Light intensity. So you have to write that the light, 4 to 5 different light intensity would be used to investigate its effect on the plant seedlings. Correct. On the height of plant seedlings. Okay. Okay. Next thing is, you have to tell what is the constant thing over here. Now, what should be kept constant? Okay. Exposure of light. Uh, the length. No, 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 no. Okay. What else can be there? Whatever is available, like 5 to 6. If they are available, write all. Otherwise, mention two. At least mention three. Yes. Time. Time. Carbon dioxide concentration. We have to make carbon dioxide concentration constant. We have to take it constant because we are changing only light intensity. The other factors should be constant. Okay. Then, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. What else? No, no. Okay. So water is same, temperature is same, the nutrients are same. Okay. Right till here. Clear? These are constant. Okay. Let's move to the method. What is the method that we are going to use? How we are going to change the light intensity and how we are going to measure the increase. How? How do we change the light intensity? Distance. Good, good. Okay, and how to calculate the change in height? Okay, okay. And how we calculate the change? How do we calculate the change? Take the initial reading. Good. We take measure the initial length, and then after a certain time we are going to take the final length, and then we take a difference of that and repeat the experiment calculating the calculating the mean value. Okay. So these are the instructions. Clear?